Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? This video is on JioMart purchases that I have made at 50% off and 1+1 offers that I have availed. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and watch this video to know about JioMart cashback that has been launched and 50% off store that is available on JioMart. Here you see instructions are given regarding the cashback program that has been recently launched by JioMart. 10% cashback would be given on every product. The minimum cart value or the order value should be 200 rupees. You can avail up to 200 rupees cashback every day, and this cashback would be given in the form of points that you can redeem at offline or online stores. You have here 50% off store also. Daily Monday is available to fulfill or cater your daily needs of vegetables or fruits or any grocery items. From 50% off store, I've purchased these products, purchased biscuits. There's no minimum order, and free shipping also available on 50% off store sale. This is Parley 2020 biscuits. 500 grams have purchased for 65 rupees. The actual price is 130 rupees. Geo packing is good and delivery is prompt. You see here Unibic cookies. It costs 165 rupees. Have purchased it for 82 rupees. Have purchased 2 packs of Parley 2020. And buy one get one free offer is on coffee. It's 90 rupees, 50 grams, and you can buy one and get one free, and the quality is good. The aroma is pleasant. Oreo pack, it's 500 grams pack. I've purchased it for 33 rupees. It costs 135 rupees. And Happy biscuits. It's from Parley. I've purchased it for 65 rupees. 400 grams. I have purchased it for 50 rupees. So everything on 50% off store, you'll find this. Not only biscuits, you'll find other grocery items also. You can purchase them. And cashback program or sale is on particular products. You can avail them. You can go to my playlist in my channel, unboxing, to know more about other online stores, not only JioMart, Flipkart, and Licious, Amazon. You can find my reviews and unboxing. If you have got any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Subscribe. Flying Skies One. Keep smiling.